Complete the paragraph with the past simple tense of the verbs in brackets. Do activity A from your textbook. Say the words in past simple. Go, went. Talk, talked. Play, played. Have had. Was, were. Jump, jumped. Sit, sat. Shine, shined. Run, ran. Pair work. Answer the questions. Click the answers in the next slide. Where did Samin go? Samin went to the park. Who did he go with? He went with his family. What did he eat? He ate sandwiches and some fruits. Where did he sit? He sat on the grass. What did he do with his brother and sister? He played, jumped and ran through the trees with his brother and sister. How was the traffic on the way? On the way, traffic was heavy. Write one sentence about what you did yesterday. Read your sentences to your group. Examples. Yesterday, I walked to school. Yesterday, I ate rice and vegetables.